Hello everyone, welcome to week 33. Week 33. This week is going to be an exciting week because we have a holiday after this week. So we're going to, or not after this week, on the 29th. So we're going to go ahead and get excited for the festivities of fireworks. Fireworks are what people display on Memorial Day as well as 4th of July. So let's get started and have fun with this firework project. Okay, so on this project you can use markers, colored pencils, or your basic crayons. Okay, so I'm going to use markers because I feel like I want to go ahead and have some bold marks. So like I said, you can use the thick, bold Crayolas. I'm going to use these ones I told you I got from Five and Below, and they're pretty broad colored tip markers. They have the dual tips to them. So I'm going to maybe use these for a little bit, and then maybe I might use the other Crayolas as well. But I have all these, also these cool crayon types of ones that you could use too. These come from Michael's. They're craft mark. They're easy to get. They have the thick, broad type of stroke as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do with your firework concept is, like I said, I'm going to use both types of markers. I'm going to go ahead and start with my dots. So I'm going to place dots with different colors in different sections of my paper. Okay, so once I've done that, this is what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to pick a color and I'm going to go around. And this is going to take some time, so you're going to definitely take your time in doing this. A lot of people get confused when you do this because they feel like, oh no, when I go around the second time, I'm going to follow the line behind it, but you're not. So let me go ahead and do each one first, just to start out, and then I'm going to go ahead and just do one section at a time. And when it comes close, it will closely bump up to the other design, and you'll see how that works. But when it's done, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to pick another color. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably repeat these colors going around for this particular one. Same thing with this one. I'm going to repeat the colors. And you see, I am not staying behind the other line. I am going around, but I'm making sure that I take my time when I go around. I'm going to do red going around next. It's almost like a sunburst when it goes around. Now, like I said, if you do this with crayon, it has another effect as well. You see, I rarely use marker, so I'm using marker today. And I said I'm going to have fun with using marker. So when I get to the top of the page, as you see right here, it's bumping up to the page, but you're going to see what's going to happen next. Okay, I'm going to go back, pick up purple again. Now for my purple right here, I can't go to this edge, so I'm going to go around And try to stay as close to the line as you can. Okay, I'm going to then repeat my pattern again with picking up with the reddish color next. I'm going to go out to this edge, and then I'm going to go around like this. Okay, as you see, it's starting to turn into a firework. I'm going to then go ahead and start picking up these, and then it's going to bump into the other. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the next color pattern. I'm going to do blues right here. And you can pick whichever color pattern you want to. It's up to you. My color pattern on that one is purple. So we're going to do purple next. Like I said, it looks just like a sunburst, but it is a firework. All right, let's pick up that pink again. Try to keep your colors close so that way you know which colors you used. What color do you think is going to be next? It's going to be blue. Light blue again. I've done these patterns with patchwork before with paint, and it looks really cool when you do it with paint as well. All right, I'm going to go back to purple again. Take your time, because all you're doing is doing lines. Okay, now I'm going to go back to pink. All right, go back to blue. Okay, I'm going to put those colors to the side. I'm going to go ahead and pick back with these colors again, because these colors are similar to those, and I'm going to do that one again, and then I'll do that one. So let's go to the next color, which is purple. Let me add some more green right here in this middle, so that way that middle area will have the color. Okay. All right, let's go with red. And I might have used another green, so we're going to see. So I might have used another green, but if not, oh well. Now I've used a different green, so it's okay. I should have kept those greens to the side so that way I remembered which colored green it was. So no worries. I'm going to keep on going. Now I'm going to do purple. Okay, and because I did that, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go over that green with that turquoise and just pick it up like that. No worries. Okay, so let's go back around with the turquoise color again. And be very careful. Oh, that sounded like I heard a firework tonight. I know no one's starting this early with fireworks. I love to watch fireworks and firework displays. I think it's so pretty. Okay. Now, I missed my red, so I'm going to go back around with this color back here because I skipped my red. But it's okay. Like I said, if you make a mistake, when you do something like this, it's still going to be beautiful. Okay. All right, let's go back to our purple. And like I said, you have so many different options and variations to do with this. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to stop here with these colors, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up with the yellows and my the purple that I have over here. Let's make sure that I have the same purple. If not, I'll be doing the dark purple. And let's see if I can do I'm going to grab another, let's see. Got blue, got green. Let's see. Got red. Maybe I'll pick this light purple. I've got purple right there. So let's see. Maybe I'll do this peach. Okay, we'll try the peach. Or orange. You know what? I haven't used orange yet. So let's try orange. All right. Yep, that orange looks amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and go around with yellow. And actually that yellow is not as bright as I wanted it to be, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to go around it, and then I'm going to pick up with that other orange that I had. Other yellow that I had. So it's no problems. So let's go and do purple next. Got purple a lot in this design. And that's not the same color purple either. Like I said, keep your colors close by so that way you remember which ones you used the first time. And I'm going to go and pick that other yellow up that I had from before, because it's like a darker yellow. And then I need to go and do the peach. Okay, make sure you keep your markers close by, but I know mine are like rolling all over the table now. Here we go. Okay, now we are getting to the point where we're getting close to everything else. I'm going to go back and I'm going to do a couple more rows on this, and then we're going to fan it out. Okay, so I'm going to move it that way. Got this papers underneath here, so I'm going to move those. Extra paper. All right, so let's see what color I want to do again. We're going to go ahead and go back to the green. And I have to stand up now because I want to make sure that I am properly getting the strokes on my paper. Okay, and now that I know that I have the turquoise over here, but I'm going to keep going with this one and go into purple next. Make sure that I have the right purple. Yep. And as you see, this one's getting close to bumping to the other one and to the one over here. So watch what happens when they get very close together. Alright, so let's go ahead and go with, this is next with the purple. Pink. Okay. Let's go with this purple again on this side. As you see that the strokes, when they go outwards, like I said, make sure that they are just, you're skipping a space, but you're not putting your lines so that they're stretching in, because I've had other students before, they got confused and the lines just started dragging, connecting each other. They're not going to connect. They're just going to be just like I have them. They're going to space out apart in enough of a pattern and that they work. So let's go ahead and go for the green now. We're almost done with this side. As you can see that we're bumping up close to each other. Such an amazing, amazing design. Alright, so with this one, I'm going to do the blue. And I'm going to hit right in here just a little bit. Then I'm going to go around. As you see, those two bumped, so I don't have to do any more for that side. And the same thing's going to happen right here, that I'm going to bump again. So here I'm going to keep going a little bit, and here I'm going to keep going a little bit. And let's go here some more. So here's the yellow. Let's pick up our yellow. Okay, let's go for our orange again, or our reddish color. Making sure that I have the right one. Okay, right in here. Okay. All right. Let's now go with this one. We're going to go to the next color, which is that turquoise. I'm going to move these over here. The vibrant colors are so beautiful. I can't wait to see your version of what it's going to turn out like. And you see what I'm doing now? I know that with the ones that I've already are already touching, I'm not going to hit that area anymore. I'm just going to keep going around into the area right in here. So now I'm going to pick up around here again. So that's the purple. Make sure I have the right purple because I keep dragging and picking another purple. So yep, that's the right one. And that's pretty good there. I've kind of got that part up there that it's good. All right, let's go ahead and finish up around in here. We're going to grab our pink. Then I'm going to grab, and I wanted to do pink because if I do purple again, that's that purple going around again. So let's see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and pick up yellow right here. And that'll be our last part for this one. Okay, and now let's stretch around the yellow out here. And we are very close to being done. We've got, I'm going to pick up purple around here again. Let's see, I think it's this purple. All right, and then we can do our teal color again right here. That will take us all the way to the edge of our paper here. And then we're going to finish the last rows over here. So the next color we're going to pick up is that orange. And I'm going to turn my paper just a little bit so that way I can get that corner edge. All right, next color again is the purple. And the next one is yellow. Oh, that's right, it's that darker yellow. All right, almost done. Last color is that orange again. Okay, now if you look, you see, let me put all my supplies away here. I know you're going to totally enjoy this project because I sure did today. I had fun preparing for fireworks before our fireworks display for the Memorial Day holiday. Now, like I said, next week we're going to do something else fun. But I want you to enjoy this project, have fun, and I'll see you next week. Like I said, this is week 33. Great job again on all those Google Doodles. So keep up your good work, and I'll see you next week.